Hello. Good morning, everyone, to the professors of Teach English Now. And this is Marife Adonis, and I'm going to talk about a friendship for the lesson purpose. Now, on this lesson, we can prepare a chart or a board, a marker, a friendship scenario card, a picture showing friendship behavior, your notebook, and if you have art paper for the assessment card. Now, our objective for today is students will be able to describe the qualities of a good friend using at least three descriptive adjectives in meaningful sentences. Okay, let's have this friendship with. Describe a good friendship. Okay, so for some, a good friendship is loyal. Loyal in a sense that they will be there, a friend that is always by your side. No, do not fight back or do not talk back about yourself. They are supportive, yes, support in good way, and then they are most especially trustworthy. Now, can you give me some characteristics of your good friend? Okay, so maybe your good friends are not only trustworthy, but they are supportive. Yes. What do you think are other characteristics of a good friend? Okay, so let's me hear you that. I have friend before, not only loyal, not only supportive, but trustworthy. Um, they are, they have a good heart, no? That's also one quality. And of course, aside from that, you can think about it, no? If you have a good friend, supportive, trustworthy, this is a loyal, no? Loyal, most especially. Now, let's have this one. Okay. Now, for me, I choose the word supportive because my friend helped me when I was overwhelmed. Like, one time I had a problem and she encouraged me to go on with my life. She was like a mom, a friend to me. She scolded me when I did not good, no, when I was sometimes because I am also she said I had a hard-headed. No, I'm hard-headed, and she scolded me all the time. But the lesson I learned from her is that she said, when I am in Rome, I should follow the rules of Romans. In other words, and she's not only educate me as a good supported me as a good friend, but she also educate me as her daughter. And that's all. Thank you so much. And let's go to our okay, let's have this activity. Let's describe together. So, what do you notice? Of course. So for an adult friend, so friendship is normal, no? What adjective fits best for them? So they're happy, okay? They supported one another. Perhaps in good times and bad times, they stick together. Do you think it's a good friendship? Mm. For me, as a teacher, it's a good thing to have a friend like this. Always loyal to one another. Being a good friend is one that where you can catch, you can talk your problem, you can share anything, no? because in my own experience, I cannot talk my problem to my mother, but I can speak my problem or can tell my problem to my friends. All right, that's it. And it talks about this picture also. Now let's have this a friendship scenario card. So the title is Helping a Friend in Need. So this is the scenario. Lara sees her classmate Ben struggling to carry his books after recess. She walks over, smiles, and says, "Let me help you." Together, they carry the books back to the classroom. Ben thanks her, and they both feel happy. Now, the behavior shown here is helping hands, showing kindness, and working together. Now, this is my question. What did Lara do to show the friendship? Of course, she helped, no? She helped Ben. Okay. And then what can you help your classmates like Lara did? How can you help your classmates like us? Right. Okay, so if you are a student, no, so when I was in this, no, so we were work together, no, my friends, like my classmate before, if they have problem in their assignments, I help them. Like we solve together our math problems, our English subjects. We work on together how we use the grammar and everything, no? Okay. Now, okay. So peers receive short scenarios. So now you choose an adjective and explain why it fits. Teacher circulates, asks probing questions, and supports vocabulary only we needed. So our peer shares answer with classmates. So you can share your friendship scenario, like what the example, and then you share with your friends. Okay. So perhaps no, from the previously we studied loyal, supportive, and trustworthy. So you can choose from that no from that adjectives, and also like helping hands. So from the scenario that we studied, you make your own friendship scenario card. All right. Now, okay, here is another activity. Describe a real friend. Now, write 3 to 5 sentences describing a real friend using at least 3 adjectives. So you can choose from the adjectives that we had mentioned. Then each adjective must include short explanation. For example, my friend is loyal. Why do you think your friend is loyal? Because my friend is loyal because she always accompany wherever I go. And then you can share your work with your partner or you volunteer to read it aloud in your class. Okay, right. Now, you can also create a short appreciation card for your assessment, no? Appreciation card for your friend or family member. You must write 3 to 5 sentences using at least 3 adjectives from the lesson and each with a clear explanation. So, for example, thank you card or appreciation card for your mother. Uh, so your mom's probably uh, you know already how the characteristics of a mother. How do you love your mother? Show the appreciation to her. Ano, show how did you she support you. How to show or write something about her that will make her very happy, of course. Okay. Now, so for the friendship tactic cards, this is a simple way, no, on how to assess. So of course, the correct use of adjectives, clear explanations, and of course, a complete sentence. A sentence is maybe simple or complex, but it aligns with the objectives also. So it could be for that. All right. So that's all. Thank you so much for listening.